Hello friends, it's afternoon. I am in Chikmagaluru, Mulengiri forest. This is not a reserve forest. This forest belongs to Western Ghats. This region is biodiversity hotspot. Contains large number of different species. Plantation like coffee, tea and rubber are mostly grown here. With Rocky's help, I am going to explore today. I met Rocky at my homestay. Weather is so cold today. We are starting this explore from my homestay. These fresh waters are a source of rich nutrients for wildlife. These water are coming through the mountains. Water is so fresh and clear. It sounds good. Water is very cold. Wow. It's a monsoon season. Rocky is ready to explore, and that's our homestay. He's so fast. I am in the middle of the forest. There is a small park here. In Western Ghats, rain occurs very heavily. We can see red and black soil in Western Ghats. Western Ghats is 150 million years old. Western Ghats act like a sponge, absorb more water during monsoon. We can see more water streams everywhere, especially in monsoon season. I should keep checking my legs because there are so many leeches here. I should be very careful, otherwise they'll suck my blood. Leeches are common and seen everywhere in the Western Ghats. I reached a muddy road. Look at the sky. The view is very nice. This is my first exploring. Look at these leeches. They're waiting to suck my blood. If I go closer, they'll jump on my skin. I brought a salt water with me. I'll pour it on them if they climb. Leeches are hiding inside this grass. I should move faster because of leeches hiding inside these grasses. Me and Rocky came so far. Only he knows the way. He's a regular explorer in this forest. Down there I can hear a water noise. It must be waterfalls. I think Rocky is taking me to that waterfalls. Got little time. We reached a muddy road. This must be Forest Guard's vehicle mark. Look at this view. Wow. Crazy. So beautiful view. Got stuck in the forest, finding a way out. It's very scary. I can hear a monkey noise. They are screaming. Finding a way out. find a cave here. I think people come here. It's a little bit scary. Humans come here and they make these places dirty. See, they litter the plastics and it is very harmful for the nature. Found a muddy road again. Rocky is so talented. Wind is coming faster, I can feel it. Finally came closer to the falls. I can hear the noise. Finally found it. I'm going to take it back. Cold water. I am returning back to my homestay. I had a beautiful explore experience today. It was so amazing. Leeches lives inside this house. So many leeches. Finally, we reached our homestay.